Welcome back, my friends. I'd like to hop straight into Bitcoin, looking at the market. Just want to point out MST making quite the jump in 4 hours. 28% in 4 hours. If you don't know what MST is, I have a video on it. I've been holding this long term, been losing money on it, but I believe the future of MST is going to go much higher. So that's the way you play the game. Let's take a look at Apecoin. Has been proving me right here. Anyone who's been watching my videos knows that I've been very big on Apecoin. As you can see on the weekly, we just popped up there. Let's put on the daily. Very good. I did not buy when it first launched until it started coming down here. Then I started buying in, buying. And I think Apecoin is just one of the, it's going to be one of the largest community coins, quote unquote. It's going to be one of the first community coins, quote unquote, with actual use cases. And it has a hard cap, good tokenomics, big team, lots of deals they can make. It's the hugest NFT collection on a lot of chains, and they're notorious for airdropping. So I suggest don't hold your ape coins on Coinbase. Send them to your MetaMask and just hold on to them. That's what I've been saying. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Let's get into Bitcoin, see what the Big Daddy Bitcoin's doing to us all. Let's throw that on the weekly, see how we're doing with the bull market support band. How we are on the weekly. Great. So it looks like we are steady testing this. We've crossed the... Come on. Yeah, we've crossed the 20-week moving average, and we're heading up towards the 21-week estimated moving average, which is the bull market support band. Bitcoin needs to come above it, as most of you know. But this is a golden cross, where the red goes over top, where the green goes over top of the red, means bull market. Typically. Well, it does. If it stays above the red, it means bull market. So we just need to bounce off that, and then that means bull market. Or more likely, we may come above it, drop right back down through, and have to come back up for another test. Or we just get rejected right here. Come back up for another test. Typically, we don't break through on the first test. As you can see here, let's see. Yeah, so typically when it falls through and we get a death cross where the red goes over top of the green, it takes a while before we get back over. Here we held it. Beautiful. Here we fell through. There was a test. So that was 4 weeks of failed testing, and it just fell. Came back up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 months later to test it again, failed. Next week, didn't even test it. 2 weeks later, there's hope. So you can see how finicky this can be. Don't just get excited when a weekly goes above the bull market support band. This one did 5 weeks ago, and it resulted in failing to hold the 20-week. So I like to be optimistic as well, but lower prices means more profit for us, more time for us to DCA in and buy the lows. And I want to talk about whale number 3. That's for another video. If you like the content, like and subscribe. Let's take a quick look at phantom altcoins, see what they're up to. Yesterday was a good day for them. I didn't even look at what Phantom did yesterday, but I can see what happened in the altcoins. Obviously, Phantom did all right. So a lot of these, I've been away for a week, and I don't recognize a lot of the coins on Phantom. That's how fast it moves. But there's three. I don't know what wizard is. Pay. You know, a lot of tomb forks. This is all tomb fork. Weave up 4%, but most of the gains are in the tomb forks. That's quite something. Somebody should make like a tomb chain. I don't know, some sort of rock solid tomb. Foreshadowing. Nothing really stands out. Things are getting hit hard today. You know, on the lower level. Boo's been my ace in the hole. The rewards it gives you for single staking is out of this world. You're earning coins that 10x just for single staking a coin that's gonna 10x. I mean, it's a no-brainer. Waiting for Scarab to eventually cross that line where I can cash in all the S bonds. Pray for me. Cross your fingers for me. MST. Look at this. Boom. Just doesn't want to sit down. It's like a 20% move or something in 4 hours. Oh, I just pointed that out. There's Rare, Grail. Ooh, I want to point out MVD. MVD's just been like the most solid hold. Unexpectedly, I bought MVD. Not expecting such a solid hold. And that's a Phantom altcoin. Look at this chart. And you single stake this thing for like 2,000% APR. It's quite the conundrum. It is sort of flattening out there at the top. Throw on logarithmic. Yeah, well, the market's been finicky, but the market was finicky this whole time. It's I don't know what's up with this coin. Made quite a bit of profit with this coin. Got in down here, single staked it. Single staked it for like over 2,000% APR, and it just did this. It appreciated in value. Can't ask for more than that. DeFi is amazing when you find the right protocols. Just take your profits while they come, my suggestion. But none of this is financial advice. Do your own research. That's about all I have to say this morning. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up. I will never have ads. I will never have sponsors. I'll always tell you like it is. I'll never delete videos, so do your own research. If you see a video of me from a month ago being bullish about a certain coin, take it with a grain of salt, because I'm probably not in that coin anymore.